Then, let's learn about farm animals. Do you
Yes.
want to play? Do you want to learn about farm animals?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you tell it to mommy? What animal is this?
Pig.
Very good. Can you tell it the sounds of the pig?
Good.
Oh, very good. How about this one? What animal is this?
Ballet.
Very good. How about this one? What animal is this? Oh, wait.
Bat.
Very good. How about this one? What animal is this?
Butterfly.
Very good. How about this one?
Tip.
Oh, very good. How about this one? How about this one, baby? How about this one? This one. What is this animal?
Toad.
Very good. What is the sounds of the goat?
Ne.
Very good. How about this
Dog.
one? What is this? What is this? Oh, what is the sounds of the frog? Tell it the sounds na lang, baby. What is the sounds of the frog?
Good.
Rabbit. Very good. How about this one? What animal is this?
Bee.
Very good. What is the sounds of the bee?
Bee.
How about this one? You know this?
Good.
Do you know this? What is this?
Look.
It's no, this is not a dog. What is this? This is a
Dita.
goose.
Nus.
Very good. How about this one? You know this?
Fox.
Very good. How about this one? You know this?
Baku.
Oh no, what is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? You know this? Oh, let's tell it to mommy. What animal is this?
Wow.
Very good. This is
Owl.
squirrel. How about this one? What is this?
Owl.
Very good. What is the sounds of the owl? Hoot, 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 hoot. Is that like that? How about this one? What animal is this?
Tick.
What animal is this?
Wala ko sinasabi.
What animal is this? It's a
Ika. Boy.
very good. This is a bird. Hi guys, this is a bird. How about this one? What's this? It's a
Mouth.
very good. It's a mouse. Very good, Tenten. How about this one?
Nick.
Snake. Very good.
Gabby.
Yes. How about this one?
Dog.
It's a dog. What is the sound of the dog?
Happy.
Happy dog. Very good. How about this one? This one. It's a. How about this one, baby? This one. Look. Look at this first. Look at this one. Look at this. What is this?
Tick.
Chick. It's a chick.
Gah. Gah.
How about this one? How about this one?
Cow.
Very good. This is a cow. And the cow said, moo. How about this one?
Duck.
Oh, it's a duck. What is the sounds of the duck? What is the sounds of the duck? Can you tell it to mommy? What is the sounds of the duck? What is the sounds of the duck? Can you tell it to mommy?
Ears.
Yes. What is the sounds of the duck?
Now.
No, what is the sounds of the duck? Yes. Oh,
Quack.
quack, quack. Very good. Now, do you want to learn? Last one. What is this?
Horse.
Horse. Very good, Tenten. Good job. High five to mommy. Now,